Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. So today's video is a Sean Wright inspired, Sean Wright style gospel feel. In the words of the Pocket Queen,
Sean writes music. Sean writes. He's right. Okay, his pocket is right. His chops is right.
before we get into it, let me share something with you. I found this artist. It's really interesting. The reason why he sounds so smooth, a lot of people don't know this, but I know this because I do my research. The reason why he sounds so smooth is he takes butter, right? And what he does is he smears the butter all over his cymbals. And that's why he sounds so smooth.
Disclaimer: Sean Wright does not put butter on his cymbals. I don't know where this player is getting his information from. Please, do not put butter on your cymbals. Not that there's anything wrong with that. It's just a waste of good butter.
True story. So I know the intro was a little bit short. Let's just listen to the film once more. So this lesson is going to be in two parts, right? First part is we're going to do it on the drums, and we'll see how it's played. Second part, I know we are all going to quarantine, and some people might not have drums at home. So what we're going to do is we will take this drum fill and put it on your phone. So anytime you have the chance, you can just go practice it. But you save it on your phone. We do all that. We do all that. The first part of the drum fill is actually a simple pattern, and this is what it sounds like. I know it's fast. It's really fast. You need it to be broken down, to be disseminated, to be quarantized. What? It's a little bit advanced because you have to speed it up. But then the pattern underneath it is quite simple. It's not a difficult thing to do. And you can work on it day, night, evening, morning, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, Friday, all the days. Keep it working until it gets fast. Then you can get it to the speed. It needs to be smooth, because you can't have swag points without being smooth. Like Sean Wright, you need to be smooth. And not all of us can have butter to put on our cymbals.
Disclaimer: Sean Wright does not put butter.
So now let's go to the second part. The second part is a little bit of a syncopated something thingy thing. So here's an example of how it's placed within a groove. And in this example, there are a couple of variations. So you see how sometimes you can start a little bit earlier, and some other times you can start later. And you can play around with it. It doesn't have to be the same feel all the time. you can play around with it and figure out where you want to put it. It's inspired by Sean Wright. It doesn't have to be exactly what he plays. So take your own spin and put it on it and make it yours. So when you put all together, it sounds like this. Part 2. The link to the app is down in the description below. Thanks for watching. This has been a fun video to make. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. A lot of you guys are not subscribed. I know you watch the videos, but you're not subscribed. Please subscribe and check out other videos on the channel. Thank you so much for watching again. Random solo section coming up. Bye.